Today we're making a Halloween recipe called Frankenstein protein smoothies. And ingredients wise, we're going to have 1 cup of water. You can also use milk or almond milk, oat milk, coconut, or soy. 1 scoop of protein powder. Here I'm using ProCare vanilla, but you could also use chocolate. Adding in a half a cup of orange juice, or I'm using freshly peeled oranges. I use 2 of the small little cuties. You can put in there some fresh spinach. I have about 2 handfuls of that. I have 1 frozen banana and about a half a cup of frozen fruit. Here I'm including mango and strawberries. You can also include some almond, sun, or peanut butter for additional creaminess, additional avocado, ice for extra thickness, and honey for extra sweetness. For Frankenstein's hair, which is at the top of the cup, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of sun, almond, or peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons maple syrup to taste, a pinch of salt, and 1 to 3 tablespoons of hot water as needed. I just heated mine in the microwave. Okay, for the smoothie itself, what you're going to do is you're going to add in the water, protein powder, orange juice, and spinach until the greens are completely broken down, and this will ensure you don't get bits of greens in your final smoothie. If you're adding in any of the other additional add-ins like the nut butter, you can add it in during this stage as well. Also, add in the frozen banana after that, and pineapple or blueberries or strawberries or oranges or whatever kind of fruit you like, and blend until smooth and slushy. Now you can serve it right away for the best texture and flavor. To make the Frankenstein's hair, I would recommend actually, if you're going to be pouring this into a glass like I did, I would recommend using a dry erase marker and doing it before the glass gets cold or has any liquid in it, and put your decorations on there beforehand, because otherwise I found it really hard to get the dry erase marker to stick. So to make your Frankenstein's hair, in a small bowl, combine the nut butter, cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of water, and kind of just whisk it. I just used a spoon to stir it really well. Taste it, and if you want it sweeter, you can add more maple syrup. If you don't need the sweetness, you can add a tablespoon of water instead. And then just kind of create it until it's almost like a chocolate sauce, a little bit thick. And then drizzle over the side of your glass to make Frankenstein's hair. Those leftovers can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. Enjoy!